Yo, what's up, PLNs? Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not new, Pinches PLNs, welcome back. Yo, guys, I've been doing a lot of TikToks. Make sure you follow me on TikTok right here. I was going through TikTok the other day, and I seen a lot of people eating like chamoy pickles, and I was like, you know what? I want to try a chamoy pickle. So a fan actually sent me a chamoy pickle right here. They said they sent me the whole kit, okay? And me dice aquí, dice Pelon, we hope you enjoy your chamoy pickle kit. Coming from Tucson, Arizona. Much love. Tag us, the official JP on TikTok, or que se te antoja. This was being processed as we watch it live. So they're watching my live on TikTok, and they seen that I wanted some chamoy pickles, and they packaged the package like literally right there. So look, check it out. They sent me some candies, Mexican candy, a lot of Mexican candy. That's actually pretty good. Pa la muela y pa las pinches. Dirá uno pa las cavities. So they told me that they were gonna send me some candies for me and my family. They sent me 4 roll-ups. Let's open it. So they sent me some of these. Okay, these come in the package. It already smells. It smells pretty good because of the polvito. Some Lucas and some more Lucas and some more candy right here and some 4 roll-ups. Que no falta 4 roll-ups because they said that it tastes bomb with 4 roll-ups. They actually sent me some gloves too, okay? Because I don't want to dirty my hands. So should we start putting our gloves on yet or no? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put our gloves on. Let me see if they sent the right size porque yo soy bien manon. I think I'm going to be a doctor now. Bend over, miss. Imagine. Okay, so now we are putting the gloves on. And let me tell you guys, there was a power outage, so we don't even have no light, no AC or nothing. Okay, guys, so here we got the pickle chamoy thing. Look, check it out right here, the pickle. We got the pickle, and then they sent me some baby pickles for the family right here. Look. Ooh. I can't wait for this. You know what? I'm gonna try this one for now. Oh shit, I actually feel like I'm a doctor. I don't know why. Okay. You know why I feel like a doctor? Because I got gloves on. But I'm gonna try a baby chamoy. God damn. Muchas gracias a los viejones, la neta, que me mandaron esto aquí. It's soury. Ooh, let me try the baby pickle. Look at this. This shit is sour, bro. Agruras for sure.
Is that sour?
Yeah. You guys gotta try it. Try it, Nicole. We're gonna let the family try the pickle. It's very, 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 very sour. And then we're gonna prepare the actual pickle, okay? What do you guys think? Soury, huh? Try it. Soury. Try it, Prim. Try it.
Oh,
sour, right?
I said bomb.
Bomb, huh? So pickles are right here.
That's the burger.
Try it, dude. Try it. It's good.
If you guys want to send me something, I'm also going to leave the P.O. Box right here. Aquí voy a dejar la dirección del P.O. Box por si toda la gente me quiere mandar cosas, pues lo que sea, pues merch, letras, lo que ustedes caigan. ¿Ok? Y para que toda la gente también siga continuando este video, pues yo miré en un video en el TikTok que tienen que sacar el jugo de esta cosa. Okay, and then what?
Scoop it out from, not a lot of it, but scoop a little bit out where you could put stuff in there.
Daddy, we pop.
Wait, we scoop this out.
You want it?
Like a little bit, and then you can put. Like.
We're gonna get this here. Yeah. You get this stuff right here, like this, and then oh shit. Not all of it, though, right?
No.
No.
Just decorate that shit in there.
Yeah, look at this. I want to give a big old shout out a Que Se Te Antoja for sending me this pickle right here. Okay, after we do that, what do we do? After this, what do we do? Hey, after this, what do we do? Pour some, like open it, because I don't wanna like sprinkle this stuff. Ooh, this is looking bomb already. Hey. I can't wait for this stuff. So now what do we do? Sprinkle some of this on here? Sprinkle some of this stuff on here, okay. And then, no, we need a full roll up.
No, but you could put that after, or actually, let's put that now.
Let me see. Bajitamente la mano. Bajitamente la mano. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the full roll up, right? And then you do this, right? Oh my God, I think I messed up. I'm wearing a white shirt. I know. Check it out. Check it out, chat. Check it out, chat. This?
And then that's all. You just put it on the top.
Put it on the top. Check this out. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
I don't have Takis.
I think we have hot Cheetos.
No Takis. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Check this out. Now, I'm gonna let my family try it.
Have some food with the chips?
Yeah. Here, go get this plate and try it. Try it, Nicole. Bomb. My boy, go, Mom.
Just wait for you to try it.
I think with hot Cheetos, it makes it more like intense.
More flavorful.
That's not necessary.
Yo, chat. My bad. I haven't read the comments because I'm actually doing a vlog right now. Huh? Those are my brain's reactions right away. They kick in, guys. Okay, all my PLNs, guys. I think this pickle, Chamoy Pickle, has been one of the best Chamoy pickles I've ever tried. This is the first one I've tried. It's really bomb. I give it a 9 out of 10. If you guys want to send me more Chamoy Pickle stuff and all that to try it out for a YouTube video, you guys could. My P.O. Box is right here. Aquí le voy a dejar mi P.O. Box. Para toda la gente que quiera mandarme cosas. Estoy muy agradecido con todo el equipo, all my PLNs, everybody who's been there since day one, guys. That was a little quick video, you feel me? A Chamoy little tasting, what is it called? AI?
Taste test. AI.
A taste test.
AI?
No, not AI, whatever that's called. We did a taste test, sorry chat. We did a taste test for my YouTube video right now. That shit was bomb. This video is about to end, guys. All my PLNs, nos vemos hasta la próxima.